Hey honey, it's me Tato back again with recipes that make you wanna cook. On today's video, let's make these delicious cookies or crumbly biscuits, honey. Now we're gonna begin with some softened margarine. You can also use butter as well, honey, any brand that you like. Gonna go ahead and soften it and whisk it or whip it until it is a very pale color and very airy, okay? Then you're gonna add 2 eggs, adding 1 egg at a time and mixing to combine after each addition. To flavor, I went ahead and add some vanilla essence, but you can absolutely use any other flavorings that you like, honey. I also went ahead and added some lemon essence. Although I don't recommend using a lemon essence, you rather use fresh lemon rinds or zest and some fresh lemon juice. You're gonna go ahead and sift 1 cup of powdered sugar, honey. You can also use granulated white sugar as well. Gonna combine in there without turning on the whisk, just so it doesn't mess around everywhere, and whisk it in to cooperate. Then finally, you're going to add 5 cups of sifted flour in there. Now, this 5 cups is for the consistency if you're looking to pipe your biscuit or cookie mix, and we're also going to add an additional cup if you're going to roll it out or do hand shapes. Okay, so this is the consistency that you want to look for if you're going to use a piping bag or piping nozzles or a cookie gun. And here I am adding an additional cup of flour, making it 6 cups of flour because we're not going to pipe it, gonna use our hands to shape it, honey. And that is the crumbly dough that you're looking for, that should not stick to your hands. To shape these, I'm using a tablespoon measure just to make cute little balls that I roll in my hand. I'm going to shape them or add some prints using a fork, just like so, honey. I'm also gonna show you another variant where you add jam on the center, because these biscuits are not that sugary at all. I only added 1 cup of sugar, but if you want them sweet, you can add a half a cup or quarter cup more of sugar, honey. Okay, then you're gonna roll them into balls and do some holes with your finger, with your thumb, or with anything that is round, the back of a spoon or anything deep. Okay, honey. And then you're gonna bake them in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for half of the time, which is 15 minutes. And once they look almost done like that, you're gonna go ahead and add your apricot jam on the center. The reason why we do this is because if you add it while the dough is still raw, then the jam will kind of evaporate or burn. So yeah, this is how they look, guys, after being baked in the oven. They're so crunchy, they are so crumbly and so delicious. That's it for now, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a try and let me know, and I will see you on the next one.